Good morning class. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study Mathematics of class 9th, chapter number 2, Polynomials, part 9. It is on your book page number 42 to 43. In this video we will discuss about factor theorem, okay, and we factorize the polynomial, okay. So here the polynomial which is given to us is y square minus 5y plus 6. It is the polynomial of variable y. Now, this polynomial is having a degree of 2. That means it has two roots maximum. So, we consider the roots or the zeros of this polynomial as a and b. So, we can write this polynomial as y minus a into y minus b. You know that the constant term will be a into b. Means this equation, this 6 value is basically a into b. Okay, so ab, that is a into b, is equal to 6. So to look for the factors of py, we look at the factors of 6. तो अगर हमें इस के फैक्टर निकालने हैं तो हमें किसके देखना पड़ेगा? फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6. So let us find out the factors of 6. So 2, 3, 3, 1. So there are three factors which we are seeing right now: 1, 2, 3. So they are written over here. Now basically let us check one by one which of them is the zero of this polynomial. So we place y is equal to 1. So what we get? 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So we get 1 minus 5 plus 6. So what we are getting? 7 minus 5, that is 2. So it is not the 0. 1 is not the 0 of this polynomial. Now we are moving for the second one. That is 2. So by placing y is equal to 2, we will get 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So 2 square is 4, minus 5 into 2 is 10, plus 6. So it is 10 minus 10, that is 0. That means 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Y is equal to 2 is the 0 of this polynomial or root of this polynomial. Okay. So in this way we can proceed for the third also. Y is equal to 3. So we get P at y is equal to 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, that is 9 minus 15 plus 6, that is 9 plus 6, 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Means y is equal to 3 is also the 0 of this polynomial. So 2 and 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. So let us proceed with further how we factorize it. So y minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial. As y is equal to 2 is the 0 of this polynomial, so you can say y minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial. Now what you can do is 3 is also, so you can say 3 is the 0 of this polynomial, so y minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Now we can split it in the form of, here the a value is 2. Okay, here we have written it, a value you can take as 2 and b value as 3. So this polynomial can be written as y minus 2 into y minus 3. So when you multiply it, y into y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3. So y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. So what you get? The same polynomial, y square minus 5y plus 6. So that means we are able to get back to the same thing. Is it clear? So in this way we have done the factorization of the given polynomial as y minus 2 into y minus 3. Note that this can also be factorized by splitting the middle term. हम middle term को split करके भी कर सकते थे. Okay. Now we proceed to the next example. Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Now here the degree is 3. The degree is 3. Now we shall now look for the factors of this. So we should go with the factors of 120. Okay. So we are able to find out the zero of this polynomial. So by getting the zero of this polynomial, we can move further to find out the factor of this polynomial. So the polynomial of x, we have write down the polynomial of x. Now we are doing the factorization of 120. Okay. So when you find the factors of 120, you will get many factors: 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, and 5, 1. So there are different factors. Okay, let us discuss one by one. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. Okay, 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 2 into 2, 20. So in this way we have different factors: 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 60. Okay, 15, 30, 60. So these are all the factors and we take them as plus minus. Why plus minus? Because when minus and minus multiplied, they will get to the plus value. So they can be in either in plus form or in minus form. So we have write down the different factors over here. So now proceed with trial method, putting the value one by one and get to the answer. So we have written different factors: plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 60. So by trial method, we will find out that at p equal to, now here we have to divide this four terms in such a way that we are able to take x minus 1 common from all. So we split these four terms, term 1, 2, 3, 4, into six terms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now x cube as x cube, 23 x square can be split into x square and 22 x square, and 142 can be split into 22x plus 120x minus 120. Now from the first two you can take x as common, x square as common, so you will get x minus 1. From the second you can take minus 22x common, so you will get x minus 1. And from the third you can take 120 as common, so you will get x minus 1. Now from all you can take x minus 1 common, so you will get x square minus 22x, okay, plus 120. Now for this second part you can do the splitting of middle term and get the remaining two factors, as the degree of the polynomial is 3. So it can have 3 zeros. So we can find the factors by splitting this middle term. This is the one way. The other way is once you get the one factor, that is x minus 1. Now you can divide the polynomial with this factor. The polynomial is x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. When you divide it, you will get the quotient as the same value, that is x square minus 22x, okay, plus 120. You will get the same value. Now you can split the quotient, okay, by splitting the middle term, and you will get the factors. So we splitting the middle term is we take one factors of 120 first. So when we take the factors of 120, 2, 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5 and 5, 1. You have to split them in such a way that the product will be 120, and when we add them we should get minus 22. So let us do that. So 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, okay, 12 and 5 twos are 10. So minus of 12 and minus of 10 become minus 22, and when we multiply them, minus 12 into minus 10 we will get plus 120. So we have able to split it into. Now by the splitting of this middle term we are able to factorize it. Now we can take x common from the first pair. So as soon as we write it, x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. From the first pair you can take x common, so it is x minus 12. From the second pair you can take minus 10 common, so it is x minus 12. Now you can write x minus 10 and x minus 12. Now these are the remaining two factors of this polynomial. So we can write this polynomial entirely as x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 12. Thank you.